Hi friends, welcome to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make restaurant style Kadai chicken. It's a cute recipe. Let's move to the video.
For Kadai masala, take 3/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon whole black pepper, 2 dried red chilies, 1.5 teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon fennel seeds. Dry roast on low flame for 3 minutes. After cooling, grind to powder. Take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add onion petals. Add capsicum. Mix it. Saute for another 2 minutes. Set aside for later use. Take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Add 3/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, add half teaspoon peppercorns, add 2 red chilies. Give a stir, add 2 chopped onions, fry on medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes till it turns light brown. Add 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, fry on low flame for 2 minutes. Add chicken pieces, fry on high flame for 5 minutes. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, add 3/4 teaspoon red chili powder, add 1 teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix it well, fry on medium flame for 2-3 minutes, cook till oil separates. Add 5 tablespoon tomato sauce, mix well, cook on medium flame for 2-3 minutes. Now add Kadai masala, mix well, cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Add 1 cup of water. Add half teaspoon garam masala powder. Add cashew paste. We made the cashew paste with 10 cashew nuts. Mix well, cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Cook till oil separates. Add sauteed onion and capsicum. Mix well, cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Now sprinkle Kasuri Methi. Mix well, cook on low flame for 2 minutes. The preparation is almost finished. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves while serving.
Today we tried restaurant style Kadai chicken. It was a very cute recipe. We can make it very easily. Comment below your suggestions. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and liking this video. We will come back with another recipe. Thanks for watching the video.